Ever notice how some guys just walk into a room and instantly grab attention without even saying much? It's not just about looks, it's their voice. Want that same energy? Let's talk. 1. Breathe like you mean it. Most people breathe shallow from their chest, and that makes their voice weaker. To get that deeper, commanding tone, you need to breathe from your diaphragm. Take a deep breath right now. Did your shoulders move? If they did, you're doing it wrong. Fix this, and you'll feel the difference immediately. 2. Train your neck, train your voice. Your neck muscles directly affect your vocal cords. If they're tight, your voice will sound higher. Try this. Place your hand on your throat and feel those muscles. Relax them, and you'll notice your voice already sounds fuller. Start training those muscles, and over time, your voice will follow. 3. Water is your secret weapon. You'd be surprised how dehydration can make your voice thin and weak. Vocal cords need to stay hydrated to perform their best. Here's a quick test. If you don't have a bottle of water next to you right now, you're probably dehydrated. Hydrate, and trust me, your voice will thank you. 4. Slow it down with the down talk. Most people end their sentences on a high note. It makes you sound uncertain. But when you slow down and drop your voice at the end, it shows confidence. Try this right now. Ask yourself, what's my name? Now say it again, but drop your voice on the last word. Feel the difference? That's authority. Start practicing these today, and you'll not only hear the difference, you'll feel it too. Let's level up together. If you're serious about leveling up and hitting your goals in 2025, we've got your back. We're building a community that's all about helping each other grow. And the best part, it's completely free. DM us on Instagram or shoot us an email. Let's get you on the path to making those changes, brother. You've got this, and stay Chadley. Subscribe to get successful, smart, sharp, and skilled, and to win forever.